Simple Cafe E, illustrated tutorials for your electronics. Subscribe to stay up to date with new tech, like these relatively new speakers. We're going to learn about these Wi-Fi speakers by comparing them to the other two types. They're a nice mix of the other two because they leave out some of the bad and include some of the good. First of all, they're like wired speakers because for the most part, they're fixed, which means they're going to stay put, and this will allow for the potential of better sound, primarily because they can be as big as you want. No need to worry about size to carry them around since they're meant to stay put anyway. Plus, you can add more of them to your sound system. The downside of wired speakers, though, is the fact that they have to be tethered to an amplifier, which is unfortunately going to involve more cable management. And this is one of the reasons that Bluetooth speakers are so popular. They don't need to be connected to any external amplifier because they already contain their own, as do Wi-Fi speakers. And they don't need a cable connection to your phone either, which makes them even more portable, right? But this portability comes at a cost. And I'm not talking about price, I'm talking about volume. You need a big hollow space to generate good acoustics. Simply put, powerful sound. Not that there aren't big Bluetooth speakers as well. Anyway, let's get into Wi-Fi speakers now, which are also referred to as wireless speakers. I mean, Bluetooth speakers are wireless too, right? Anyway, these receive your music via Wi-Fi. And again, they have positive attributes from both types of speakers. Remember that since you're not expecting to take it with you, there's no need for it to be made so small. So they can be made with more powerful amps, larger speaker drivers, and all in a bigger space to deliver a powerful sound. And even more so when you add more of them to your sound system, just like you did the first one. Speaking of sound quantity, the quality of sound is better because Wi-Fi can deliver more data than Bluetooth. A really big plus to playing your music over Wi-Fi rather than Bluetooth is that your music will not be interrupted by pesky incoming calls, which always kills the mood, especially during parties. Like Bluetooth speakers though, these are active, which means they come with their own amplifier, meaning you won't ever have to connect them to any other amplifier. The only thing you will need to plug it into is a power outlet, of course, to amplify your sound. But this should make it pretty easy to spread your speakers throughout your home. Speaking of home, you can also connect them to your TV, so long as your TV is smart and capable of connecting to wireless speakers. Well, leave me a comment if you're interested in any other tech topic, and subscribe so you can stay up to date with new tech stuff. Catch you later.